Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I teach you Chinese grammar in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to look at a very simple sentence. 你学什么? This sentence means what do you study, in English. Let's break it down into chunks and see how it works. The first chunk is 你. This is a pronoun that means you. The second chunk is 学. This is a verb that means to study or to learn. The third chunk is 什么. This is an interrogative word that means what. So, putting it all together, we have 你学什么, which literally means you study what? Or what do you study? A possible answer could be 我学中文, which means I study Chinese. Here, the subject is 我, which means I, the verb is still 学, which means study, and the object is 中文, which means Chinese. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are interested in learning Chinese grammar. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.